Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, your ultimate stop for real-world automotive reviews, ride tests, and everything on wheels. If you love honest breakdowns, powerful machines, and the latest models hitting the streets, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss our deep dive reviews, because here at Smart Drive Hub, we test it, ride it, and tell it exactly like it is. Alright, let's jump straight into today's feature. Today, we're checking out something that has made a massive comeback, the 2026 Honda NCX 750X, also being called the Adventure Beast, returns. And trust me, after riding this machine, the word beast isn't an exaggeration, it's a promise. Right off the bat, Honda has taken the already loved NC series and pushed it even further. The design is sharper, more aggressive, and honestly, more premium than any previous generation. You get a fresh LED lighting setup, a bolder front fascia, and that signature adventure stance that makes the bike look ready for city streets and muddy trails at the same time. Now let's talk power, because that's what matters. The 2026 NCX 750X comes with Honda's proven 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. It's not about extreme horsepower, it's about smooth torque and real-world performance. And that's exactly what makes this bike special. From low-speed commuting to highway pulls, the throttle response is buttery smooth. Honda has tuned it to be punchy, efficient, and super comfortable for long-distance travel, and yes, the legendary DCT automatic transmission is still here. If you've never tried Honda's DCT, just imagine riding without ever worrying about shifting, but still having full control. Perfect for city traffic, perfect for touring, and honestly, perfect for anyone who wants relaxed riding without losing performance. Moving on to comfort, the seat height is friendly, the riding position is upright, and the handlebars give you that confident adventure feel without being overwhelming. The suspension is tuned nicely for mixed use, smooth on highways, forgiving on bumps, and capable enough for light off-road trails. But one of the biggest wins of the NCX 750X is fuel economy. This thing sips fuel like a small commuter bike, not a 750 cubic centimeters adventure machine. Long trips become cheaper, easier, and more enjoyable. Honda nailed the balance between performance and efficiency. Inside, you now get a sleek full-color TFT display with Honda Road Sync, letting you connect your phone for navigation, calls, and music. Everything feels modern, clean, and perfectly responsive. Plus, the bike now comes with multiple ride modes: Sport, Standard, Rain, and User, so you can tune the behavior based on the conditions. And of course, we can't talk about the NCX without mentioning one of its signature features, the built-in 23-liter storage compartment in the tank area. It fits a full-face helmet. Yes, a real helmet. No other bike in this class gives you this level of convenience. If you're a commuter or a traveler, this alone is a huge reason to consider the NCX. On the road, the bike feels incredibly stable. The weight distribution is balanced, the braking power has improved with dual front discs, and cornering feels natural even for less experienced riders. The updated chassis gives it better road grip and higher confidence at higher speeds. Now, is it a hardcore off-road monster? Not exactly. But that's the beauty of it, the NCX 750X is built for real riders. People who want one bike that can do everything: commute, tour, explore, and handle bad roads without breaking your back or your wallet. It's practical, stylish, efficient, and extremely dependable, classic Honda DNA. So, does the 2026 Honda NCX 750X earn the title Adventure Beast returns? Absolutely. It's not a beast because it's wild, it's a beast because it dominates every situation with ease, comfort, and confidence. If you're looking for a motorcycle that's powerful enough for adventure but practical enough for everyday life, this might be one of the best mid-size options of 2026. Thanks for watching Smart Drive Hub, where real riders get real reviews. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more test rides and in-depth reviews coming your way. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.